Good afternoon, students. Today we will learn how can we write programming. How can we make the programming? Is it clear? Firstly, class, we will open C++ software. This procedure I also explained in previous class. How can we open C++? Again I am repeating. Click on start button. Then click all program option. And then click Turbo C++. Your C++ editor will open. Class, your C++ editor will open. I also explained topest bar is title bar. It has three buttons: minimize, maximize, close. And then menu bar is given: file, edit, search, run. Then class, it has two parts. First part editing and second part is output window, compile window. Is it clear? Editing, where we can type the program, means we can type program in first person. After compiling, then we will run the program and output will come in this screen. So class, today we will understand how can we make the program in C++. Listen. Class, programming. Suppose first program we want to make. What coding we will type in C++ editor? First, class has, suppose, question. Suppose in this program we want to type our name through C++ program. Means we can type the coding, and after typing the coding, through coding we can display our name in C++ output screen. Is it clear? So class, listen. Very simple. Firstly, has include angle bracket IO stream dot h. This is the first line of the coding in C++ program. Then void space type main with parenthesis. I also explained this is not bracket, this is called parenthesis. Is it clear, class? Then we use curly braces. Class, I also explained we can use for characters, we can use char data type. So here name is given in the form of character. So we can take here char, char means character data type. Is it clear? Then give a space and take a variable which we want, like z. In this variable your name will be printed. So next thing, class, semicolon. Clear? Suppose we want to print two names, we can use char zy, another variable. Second variable we can take. Then class, cout. What is cout? Cout means, I also explained, it can receive the data from the keyboard. So cout, enter your names. Clear? Double quotes, which is given inside double quotes. Students, which is given inside double quotes, same thing can be printed in the output screen. Double quotes. Then class, then here we can use semicolon. Is it clear? Now cout means receives the input through the keyboard. Now next thing, cin. Cin variable we can represent. First variable z, then second variable again we can type angle bracket y. Is it clear? Then in last again we can use cout, means we can print cout, and then names. Class, names equal to, then we can write z and y, and then curly braces will closed. So class, here two option is given. First for z, in output screen given enter your name. By the keyboard we can type two names, first for z and second for y. Like I am typing two names, first is Abhay and second is Sumit. Is it clear? Now class, another program, through another program we will understand. Suppose we want to take two numbers and to add both. We want to take two numbers to add both. Same class, has include iostream.h, then void main with parenthesis, then curly braces we will use, and then class. In this time we want to take the number. What is? We want to take number. So in this time we can take int data type, not char. Char data type is used for characters, but here we want to print two numbers and add. Means program is to add two numbers through C++ program. To add two numbers through C++ program. Class int, any variable, like in this time I am taking another variable. In the place of z we can write a. Second int b. Is it clear? Next, cout, same, double angle bracket, double quotes, enter two numbers. Enter two numbers. Means by this keyboard, by this line, we can type from the keyboard and two numbers. Then class cin angle bracket close two times, and then a and second b. Is it clear? This is semicolon. B 2. Then class, these two numbers is feeded, suppose, and we want to add these two numbers. So we can again assign another variable where we can add two values. So int sum, we can assign another variable, that's name is sum. So here we can type sum equal to a plus b. Understood? In this variable, means which variable is assigned in top, that is sum. Integer means value, means numerical value. These all are numerical values. So class sum means integer. In this, value of a and value of b can be added, which you are giving here. Then class we can print value. So cout double quotes, I also explained which is given in double quotes, same can be written in output screen. So here total of two numbers, total of two numbers equal to, so double quotes here. Yes, when it is printed in output screen, so equal to is also printed. Is it clear? Class cout total of two numbers, and then class we can use this variable. In this variable, value is given, total is given. So here as UM semicolon. Is it clear? And then in last, curly braces closed. Curly braces open and curly braces closed. So class, firstly here after compiling, click on compile menu, compile, program will checked by the compiler, all lines can be checked, no error is given. After that we can use run. Click on run menu, list will open, click on run, program will run. Otherwise shortcut key we will use Alt plus F9 for compiling, and then for running Alt plus F5. After running, output will come here. First enter two numbers, same, can be printed, yes or no? Then you can type from the keyboard two numbers, like first number I am typing from the keyboard 205, and second number I am type from the keyboard 95. These two numbers can be added by the computer program, and output will come total of, which is given double inside double quotes, same will typed here. You will see total of two number equal to, and then what is given? Sum. So what is the value of sum? Sum means A and plus B. Total of these means 300. Is it clear? So according to this we will understand class how can we add two numbers. Clear?